finally did the chase. Oh my god. It's been so long. I did it off camera, but I will show you how to do it. Oh my god. Wait, I want to see Mommy Longlegs kick that bucket. Or that it ain't the bucket. So can I? I don't know. Wait. I don't want to. The lever? Oh my god! That's a good shredded by the. Oh my god!
What have you done?
Oh my god!
You made me You can't do this to me!
Oh my god! What the hell is that? What the hell? No, hey, I want her. What? What? Oh my god, that was so weird. Hello. Wait, can I do the barrel glitch? I don't know if it's a glitch. Is it patched? So I tried it, but it isn't working for me. Because you can fly with it. I don't know. I think it's definitely patched. Why can't I go this way? Wait, what's actually there? What the hell? Wait, can I jump there? Whee! That was an actual death. I did not do that. I still have plans for you. Hell nah, man. Hell nah. Nah, hell nah. How is that a death? Bro, I think I'm gonna go all the way back where I started recording. Or if I end up after the death. I don't know. If the game will scare me. Are you kidding me? Well, let's just do it all over again, but I'm not gonna do that. No. Yeah, yes. You see how it's white and then it gets dark? Really dark? Well, now I don't really need to look. Get her, I don't really want to. Can I go forward or no? I can go forward. Can I go back? Yeah, it also closes. What are these? Oh my god, these are secret entrances. Are these cracks or just ruined? That's just rough. Yeah, I see how it's just closed. I think when Mommy was chasing us, well then. Wait, oh my god. Yeah, it just launched me back. Okay, so I guess we are going to the train. Or are we staying here? I don't know. Where do I go? sometimes the game lags for me. That's why. Hopefully. Oh my god, it's been a lot of minutes and hours I have done. Are you kidding me? Can I come back? Hopefully I'm not stuck. Well, I was just. Can I walk towards? Oh. No. I was just, oh. What? How did I just? Well. Wait, what? This one. Oh, wait, we go up. I don't even read the things I get because they waste a lot of time. But I guess I want to. Oh wait, no, it's not that button. Well, I got the train card, but I don't really want it. I just want to read that. Wait, Mommy Longlegs? Kissy Missy? So that pink Huggy Wuggy was just Kissy Missy. We got Mommy Longlegs. Well, VHS tape. Well, I'm not gonna be wasting time. Let's just get into it. We are here. Oh my god. Whew, oh my god, it's been a long time. What? Oh my god, Poppy, what the hell? Oh, that was just web?
Did you kill her?
Yes, I did.
Good. I'll board the train. We need to leave.
Okay. Open sesame. Is this a slide? Well, I guess, but I want to just answer it myself. Whoa. Okay, nice slides. I think we can just go. Wait. Always stick with a bud. Yeah, I do not want it to stick with Daisy. Oh my god, that's the train. Looks so cool. Are you kidding me? Well, I want to do a little bit of itsy bitsy glitch. How does that? Well, just do it quick. Use inventory. Bundle kissy cat mommy. So it should be that. Okay, I'm pressing. Oh my god. No! I do not want to quit the game. Okay, so. How is this not working? Hey. Oh, I messed it up. Now I think it will work. Yes. I know the colors. Red, yellow. 4. Wait, I got a view. No. Shrink up. 4, 2, 3, 1. So. Okay, now I get it. So. 4, 2, 3. Why? I want to move with the... Okay. Four. Wait, hello? Wait. 4. Wait. No, inventory. 4, 2, 3, 1. 4, 2. No, I'm messing it up. 4. Wait, it's red. Is it red, yellow, red, blue? Red, wait. Red, yellow. Oh my god, I messed it up. I thought it was red, blue, yellow, red. What? That's why. What hell? Hey. Oh, it's because of this. So, yellow. This. Blue. 4, 2, 3. I'm gonna go here. 1. Well, what do I gotta do? I gotta do this. Go. Room. Choo. What's the pain? Wait, oh no. Oh no, the glitch is working. Can I move? No, the inventory picture. So I get my hand back. 3, maybe. I can't even see that. Oh. But I want to put the controls at low. It's too high. So here, low. Okay. Resume. Oh my god. Very laggy. This is very laggy. I think I need something. I need the medium or high. High is kind of glitchy. No. Medium. I am so dumb for putting it at high. No, medium. Medium, please. Baby, I'm here. Okay, please just set it on medium. What, is my game lagging? Oh my god, is my game lagging? It's actually oh my god. Why? Oh no. Can I? Oh my god,
So
I
scared. Put me back in that cage.
got my game back.
You are perfect. Too perfect to lose.
Just go.
I'm sorry.
What?
I can't let you leave.
Why? No.
Anyone like you.
Change.
You know how long I've been stuck in that cage?
Are you
Well, too long.
kidding me?
I had so much time to think and reflect. Time to figure out exactly what I would do when free. We'll set things right. Terrible things have happened. But I know that whatever I need you to do, you are capable. We will. What?
Are you kidding me? I have done 5 things right now. I did 15 minutes. Hell no, I gotta end.